Boff, it is your job to keep an eye on the fuel gauge. Boff, it is your job to keep an eye on the fuel gauge.
Very impressive driving, Mr. Very impressive driving, Mr.
Golightly. Basil Golightly. Golightly. Basil Golightly. And you're rather useful yourself, Miss... And you're rather useful yourself, Miss... And this is...
Colin.
And this is...
Colin.
I thought we were using fake names. I thought we were using fake names.
That is a fake name. That is a fake name.
I'm gathering evidence. I'm gathering evidence.
This cyber attack could potentially impact 16,000 visitors. This cyber attack could potentially impact 16,000 visitors.
I found him snooping around upstairs. I found him snooping around upstairs.
And who are you exactly? And who are you exactly?
I'm not telling you anything. I'm not telling you anything.